Okay, Audi A6 C7 3-liter supercharged Merc Racing heat exchanger installed. It's the big boy. Show you what I did just in case anybody needs help out there. So brackets bolt to the heat exchanger. Comes with 4 self-tapping screws. Tap into the crash bar. Take the crash bar off, lay it on the floor, take your measurements, mount it. Same thing on this side. Not too bad. Now let me show you with the hoses. So first things first, the stock location hoses are too short. You can't stretch them over. So what I did, I bought some hoses from AutoZone and some 90-degree elbows, some screw clamps, measured, cut the hoses, clamp, screw, boom, bada bing. Works like a charm. Hose is not rubbing here. I added a zip tie here just to keep them together. Pretty straightforward. Mounts up nice. Keep that supercharger cool.